Before you invest in ConnectWise Automate, there are 12 key things you need to know. While it's a powerful tool for IT management and remote monitoring, it's crucial to weigh its pros and cons, especially in comparison to other help desk solutions on the market. First, let's talk about the learning curve. ConnectWise Automate has a reputation for being feature-rich, but that also means it can be a bit complex to set up. If you're looking for something that's easy to implement right out of the box, other competitors might have a more intuitive setup. However, if you're comfortable with the steep learning curve, ConnectWise offers extensive customization. Next, its automation features are solid, but not without limitations. While it can automate many routine IT tasks, some competitors offer more flexibility and control in terms of workflows. For example, tools like NinjaRMM have a simpler interface for automating tasks, which may appeal to smaller teams or businesses with less technical expertise. The third thing to consider is pricing. ConnectWise Automate is on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, especially when compared to other solutions like ManageEngine or SolarWinds. If you're on a budget, these alternatives might give you a better bang for your buck, but keep in mind that ConnectWise offers a wide range of features to justify the price for larger teams or more complex needs. The fourth thing to know is scalability. ConnectWise Automate is designed to scale well as your business grows, which is great if you're planning for long-term expansion. However, its complex interface may become a challenge as you scale, which some competitors handle with simpler, more user-friendly approaches. Now, let's dive into reporting. ConnectWise Automate has powerful reporting tools, but they can be difficult to customize. If in depth, tailored reports are a priority, you might find it more challenging compared to solutions like Cassia VSA, which offers more flexibility and easier customization for reporting. The sixth thing is integrations. ConnectWise Automate does integrate well with a wide variety of tools, but it's not as seamless or expansive as competitors like ServiceNow or Zendesk. If you rely heavily on third-party integrations, this might be a factor to weigh. Next, let's talk about remote monitoring and management. ConnectWise Automate does offer robust RMM features, but again, the interface isn't the most user-friendly. Competitors like Datto RMM are often praised for their easy-to-navigate dashboards, which can make managing your systems a lot easier on a daily basis. The eighth thing is customer support. While ConnectWise Automate offers support through various channels, some users have reported delays in response time. This could be a deal breaker if timely support is critical for your business. Alternatives like Freshservice offer faster and more direct customer service. Next, let's address the mobile app. ConnectWise Automate's mobile functionality is decent, but it lacks some of the features seen in competitors like Adara, which provides a much smoother mobile experience for managing IT tasks on the go. The 10th point is security. ConnectWise Automate comes with built-in security features like remote access control and patch management, but you'll need to make sure it's configured correctly. While its security is solid, platforms like Continuum offer even more advanced security tools for a similar price point. The 11th thing is the community. ConnectWise has a large and active user community, but finding specific solutions to your unique problems can sometimes be a challenge. In comparison, solutions like SolarWinds have a more responsive and knowledgeable user base, which can be more helpful when troubleshooting. Finally, the integration with PSA tools. ConnectWise Automate integrates seamlessly with other ConnectWise products like ConnectWise Manage, making it a great choice for businesses that already use their suite. However, if you're not using their PSA tools, other competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk may offer better standalone solutions. In conclusion, ConnectWise Automate is a great option for larger businesses with complex IT needs, offering robust automation and scalability. But if you're looking for something simpler, more cost-effective, or with better customer support, there are alternatives worth considering. Check out our recommended solution below, which you can try for free.